Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to fix the Xbox app error 0x80073d28 in Windows. This error usually occurs when you're trying to install, update, or launch games or apps from the Xbox app. Let's go through some simple steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. Sometimes, outdated system files can cause app errors. Open Settings and go to Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install any pending updates. Restart your computer and check if the error persists. Step 2. Clear the Microsoft Store cache. Corrupted cache files in the Microsoft Store can affect the Xbox app. To clear the cache, press 1+ or to open the Run dialog. Type stressit.exe and press Enter. The Microsoft Store will reset, and after it opens, check if the Xbox app error is fixed. Step 3. Reset the Xbox app. Resetting the Xbox app can fix issues related to corrupted app data. Go to Settings, Apps. Scroll down and find Xbox in the list. Click on it, then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset. Restart your PC and try launching the Xbox app again. Step 4. Reinstall the Xbox app. If resetting the app doesn't work, you may need to reinstall it. Open Settings, Apps. Find Xbox in the list, click on it, and select Uninstall. Go to the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox app, and reinstall it. Once reinstalled, sign in and check if the error is resolved. Step 5. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Running the built-in troubleshooter can help identify and fix issues with apps. Open Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Select additional troubleshooters, then choose Windows Store Apps. Click Run the troubleshooter and follow the prompts to fix the issue. Step 6. Check for corrupt system files. Corrupted system files can cause this error. To scan and repair them, run the System File Checker, SFC. Open Command Prompt as administrator by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Command Prompt, Admin. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Let the scan complete and follow any prompts to fix any found issues. Step 7. Check Xbox services. Make sure the necessary Xbox services are running. Press 1+R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and check the following services: Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service, Xbox Game Monitoring. Right-click each service and select Start if they're not running, or Restart if they are. Step 8. Change your region settings. Sometimes the error is caused by incorrect region settings. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Region. Make sure your region is set correctly, usually United States or your specific country. Restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. Conclusion. By following these steps, checking for updates, clearing the cache, resetting the app, and running system checks, you should be able to resolve the 0x80073d28 error in the Xbox app. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and troubleshooting guides.